Hi guys, welcome back. The Porsche is painted. Okay, Chris is doing final prep before paint. He's already blocked the shell and is now buzzing over with 500 on the DA. Once he's done this, he'll go around the edges by hand, making sure he hasn't missed any areas so it's all nice and smooth for paint. Okay, so now the shell's prepped and all cleaned off, it's time to seal up the seams. A nice clean bead of sealer is applied and then the excess removed with thinners on a rag. Okay, so Chris has spent a bit of time sealing all the seams up, degreasing everything, masking it up nicely, ready to paint. So next job will be to tack it off, get it up to temperature, and we're painting this in base coat and lacquer. He's also managed to squeeze the wings in here, so he's been busy prepping these. Well, we wouldn't normally have to mask them up because normally we'd paint the inside white as well, but like with the shell, the client wanted it black, so we spent a bit of time masking them up and we're all ready to shoot that colour. With the outside painted, it was time to black out the bits on the inside as per factory. It's not particularly neat, but this is exactly how Porsche did it back in the day. So Chris has sanded the paintwork to remove any imperfections and any orange peel, and is now polishing it up to a high gloss finish. The engine's going for a black and white theme too, so it's got a nice coat of deep gloss black. So that brings us to the end of this build for us. James Woolley Engineering will be taking the shell back now it's all painted and be assembling it over the next few months. Really pleased with how this has come out, considering the amount of rust in it. The body looks fantastic and I really like the updated bumpers on this. It's going to look super when it's built up, and I'll make sure I get some videos off of James when it's all finished. And once again, a big shout out to our friend Kev for the music in this video. That's it for this one, so let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya!